Hey guys, if you have any Hyundai or Kia that engine cranks but doesn't start, and at the same time you have P1688 Immobilizer lock fault code in Immobilizer system, you need to watch this video until the end to fix your car. But at the beginning, let's have a look at the live data to see what's going on this car. As you see, number of learn keys for this car is already 0. It means system doesn't recognize any of the keys. And ICU, which is immobilizer control unit, is already locked. But what causes this fault code? Do you see item number 6 for teaching? Anytime you need to add any key, you need to add it from this section. So you need a 6-digit PIN code to be able to register your key. But what happens if you insert incorrect PIN code for 3 times? Immobilizer control unit will go to the lock mode and you won't be able to start the car anymore. But how can we fix the car? Some guys try to register the keys again, but this is not going to work because the immobilizer system is already locked and is not going to accept any new registration. Some others try to disconnect the battery negative terminal and leave the car for a while, but this one is not going to work either. But what is the solution? It's super easy. You need to turn the ignition on and leave the car for more than 1 hour. You just need to take care. Do not disconnect the battery negative terminal because some guys, just to make it faster and make it easier, they try to disconnect the battery negative terminal to be able to start the car faster. But this is not going to work because from the moment that you disconnect the battery negative terminal, you actually reset this timing. And when you put it back on, you have to wait another 1 hour. Okay? So you don't need to disconnect the battery negative terminal. Just turn the ignition on, wait for 1 hour, and after that, immobilizer will change the mode from the lock to the normal status. Okay, we have already been waiting for more than 1 hour. Let's start the car. And there you go, see, car is started without any problem. But let's have a look at the scan tool to see if we still have the fault code, and let's have a look at the live data as well. Okay, let's select the car first. So we go for Hyundai Expert, and we need to find this car, which is Hyundai Tucson TL 2016. This is Tucson TL, and 2016 is the model year. Let's scroll down to find the immobilizer system. Okay, wait for the connection to happen. First of all, we have a look at the fault code. If you still have the fault, I didn't erase it. I'm just gonna try right now. See, no fault code. Fault code is already gone. But let's have a look at the live data as well. As you see, everything is back to normal. I already have 2 learned keys, and ICU status is back to learn, but it was on the lock mode. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.